In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between Facebook accounts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Now I'm on my secondary Facebook account, and if I would like to switch to my main profile, I need to tap right here at menu, scroll down to the very bottom, and tap at log out and then log out again. As you can see, now I got two accounts here and I can easily switch between them in that simple way. Just log out from current account and then you will be able to log into another one. To add new account to Facebook app, log out from existing account and then tap right here at log into another account. Then just enter your mobile or email in the first field and password in the second one, and then tap at that button to log into another account. Facebook app allows us to be signed into 5 different accounts at the same time. That's how you can easily switch between Facebook accounts.